You are audible.
Okay, then we will start our session or wait for 5 minutes. Yes, we will wait for 5 minutes or start the session. Yes. We will wait for 5 minutes. Students are joining. Okay. My screen is visible. Yes, my screen is visible. All of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. How many students practice the file handling program? Yes. We will done the file handling. Okay. Then how many students do it the program of file? Yes. Let us be. Okay. All of you done the our homework difference between two operators. Yes. Only two response. I got it for yesterday. Kiran and 32 roll number. Anisha. Yes. Another student. Vedang is here. All of you, my screen is visible. Yes. Rohit, Rahul, Vedangi, Sakshi. Yes. My voice is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Then we will go for our session. Good morning to all. Happy morning. We will start our Python programming session. Okay. We will done the exception theory today. Then we will go for practical into session. Okay. It's okay for you. We will conduct two chapter. We will complete it. Then we will go for two chapter practical. Okay. We will conduct 3 or 4 practicals in today's session. Yesterday, before we will conduct 3 practical. Yes, almost all basic program we will conduct it. Okay. Then we will go for our today's session exception handling. Okay. What is mean by exception? What is type of exception is occur in Python? Yes, we will continue our session. Yes. Yes, anybody want to read it the difference between homework, all of you complete the homework of yesterday session? Yes. I think roll number B division, Kiran Egre and 32 roll number. Anisha. Yes. She all complete the homework. All of you complete it today itself. Okay. And yes, Kiran, very good difference is there. But if someone asks for difference, then take the example of program. Okay. Don't say theory. Theory is important. Say theory also and take the basic example of difference. Okay. Then interviewer should be understand your answer. Okay. Take the example. With the example, you explain it very well. Okay. Yes, we will continue our session. Yes, almost 74. I think count is increasing. Wait for 5 minutes. Students are joining. That's why I will wait for. Okay. I'm waiting for 5 minutes. All of you, A and B division, it is okay for wait for 5 minutes. Yes. We will start our exception topic. That's why it is very important. We will wait for 5 minutes. Students are joining. Okay. Yes. How many you are perform the file handling practical? Yes. How many students perform the file handling practical? Yes. Roll number 70. Roll number 70. You perform the file handling practical. Vedangi. Yes. Okay. Then wait for 5 minutes. Then we will start our next point, exception. Okay. 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 Let all of you perform the file handling practical in own and send me the screenshot of it. I am follow up of screenshot of every student. Okay. Difference also Kiran and Anisha is very good. Don't take it screenshot of your difference and take it your email. Okay. It is important for your future. Almost all question I'm telling, it is very important in now. Okay. Yes, Kiran, if you ready to read it, the difference between two. Yes, Kiran.
Yes,
Please read it.
ma'am.
Okay, please read it in simple way to all of you understood the difference between two. Okay. Yes, Kiran, please read it. Yes, Kiran.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Difference between is equal to and exactly equal to. Is equal to operator is an assignment operator, and exactly equal to is a comparison operator. Means it is used to compare two values, and is equal to is used to assign the value to a variable.
Yes.
And we cannot give the constant term on the left hand side of equal to operator, and we can place the constant term on the exactly equal to operator. For example, we cannot assign like 10 is equal to x. We can assign x is equal to 10. It is the correct way.
Yes.
And in exactly equal to, if two values are same, for example, we have given x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, then x is exactly equal to y.
Yes. If exact is equal to, use it. If it is two condition, it is true, then only then condition is true. Otherwise, if it is condition one is wrong, if it is one condition is false, then return the false statement. Okay, run it false statement. Okay, all of you understood difference? Kiran, very good. Mute yourself. We will start our session. Okay. Next point is exception. Okay. Then before exception, we will clear the what is error and what is exception. Yes, error is occurred as a compile time. Okay, listen carefully. Yeah? Error is occurred at the compile time. But in Python, it is most of time error occur at the runtime. Means exception occur at the runtime. Okay. In Python, many of error occur at the runtime. Means it is exception occur in the program. Okay. All of you understood? Error is occur at the compile time. But in Python, most of the error occur at the runtime because the Python is an interpreted language. Okay, it is scripting language. We will directly run it our program. Okay, error means simple parenthesis missing. Yes, if it is write it syntax error, it's occur at the error at the coding. Okay, if you write it coding, if parenthesis missing in Python, then it occur at the error occur as an invalid syntax. Okay, when you run the program, you get the something error like this invalid syntax. Okay, error can occur at the runtime. These are called as exception. Okay, all of you know about exception. Error is compile time, means simple error, syntax error, parenthesis missing. If it is condition is write it wrong way, then if it is missing a colon, then also you got it error at the runtime. Okay, why it is exception in Python? It is important. Errors can occur at the runtime in it is called as exception. Okay, in C++ and Java you having compiler. Yes, compiler you check it whole program, but in Python whole coding, whole set statement as runtime, it is called as error. Okay, if it is missing any syntax and then you are missing colon, occur at the error at the runtime. Okay, runtime it is called as exception. Okay, all of you understood? Runtime error occurred as it is called as exception. Okay. Then we will go for simple practical example. We will go for in Python, whole error occurred at the runtime. Runtime error occurred, then you get the exception. Okay, you get the exception in Python, not the simple error in C++, Java. Okay, only this much understood. Error is occurred as a compile time, but in Python, runtime error occurred. Means you whatever your mistake done by program, you got the error at the runtime. Okay, we can directly run your program. Okay, then write it here. Print if 5 greater than 3, then write it here. Print high and run the module, run the program and save this file demo. Okay, demo.py. Okay, and run the module. What is the error here. Error means runtime error. What is runtime error here? Tell me, what is the error here? Syntax error means exception. Okay, means simple error. Okay, syntax error. Yes, invalid syntax. Okay, means whatever you error or occurred at the runtime, only at you run the program and that time you got the error. Okay, all of you understood what is mean by error? Yes, in Python, all program, if you missing colon, if you missing parenthesis, you got the error at the runtime. Okay, syntax error like this. Okay, yes, all of you understood this much part. What is mean by error? An error occurred at the runtime. Error occurred at the runtime. It is called as exception. Okay, difference between error and exception, all of you understood? Yes, yes. Student, give me reply. Error, it's occurred as a compile time, but in Python, error occurred at the runtime. It is called as exception. Okay, yes, understood everybody? Yes, yes, student.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will go for our next point, exception. They're having the built-in exception in every language. Okay, they're having built-in exception. Okay, means file not found, zero division error, import error. They're having like this exception is already in the Python. Okay, means file is not found means if it is file, try to open it, but it does not, it is fine. Okay, does not exist in the desktop. Okay, this is meant by file not found error. Okay, then you can divide the number by 0, then zero division error. Okay, it is occurred as zero division error. Then we can try to import is not found, means import error, means whatever you want to package import it in Python. If it is support import pandas import numpy, then it is not found in program, then import error should be occur. Okay, means whatever exception in handling, error can occur at the runtime whenever a syntax error, whatever error, parenthesis missing, any error occurred at the runtime in Python. Okay, all of you understood this much part. Okay, then they are having built-in exception in Python, file not found, zero division error, import error. Then okay, already I will tell the theory of built-in exception. Okay, zero division error, overflow errors, means overflow means arithmetic operation error. Yes, file not found error. Okay, and then in C++, which statement used for handling exception? Yes, yes. Anybody tell me in C++? Already you have know it how to handle exception. Yes, C++. Yes, tell me. Yes, Vedangi. Try and catch
We
block.
use try catch.
Yes, yes. Try catch in C++. In Python, you are having the try statement for error. Which statement? Which line you got the error? You write it into try block. Yes. And except block, you can handle the exception. Means which line you got the error, means which type of error you occurred. You got this line, you got exception handled by except block. Okay, except clause means you can write try and except in Python. Okay, means try statement means whatever you line got the error if A divided by B, means suppose A divided by B means you can write 1 by 0, then occurred error at the A divided by B. Yes, this line you should be write it try block and except block which type of error occurred in your program. Okay, yes, division by 0, whatever. Yes, means whatever operation you perform it is caught is by try and except block. Okay, then see this theory, all of you, my diagram is visible, means try and except block, try statement, run this code, means whatever statement you got the error, write it try block and except block, run this code if an exception occurred. Means whatever exception occurred, which statement, run this except block any. Okay, and then we will continue with try except else. We will continue with this part in practical way. Okay, file, new file, save it first, save as x demo do.py, save this file, print x. First we will write it syntax of try block, or all of you see this syntax clearly, block of code. Okay, and then except block, except hash block of code. Okay, yes, all of you understood try and except syntax of Python, exception handling, try and except. Try which statement occurred error, you write it in this try block. Okay, and except block we will write it handling the exception occurred in Python. Yes, all of you understood? Yes, yes, student. Vaishnavi, Sakshi is here. B division.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Anisha, take it screenshot of syntax, how to write it, try block, hash block code, except block of code. Take it screenshot of Vedangi. Okay, then we will go for yes. Take it screenshot. All of you, my screen is visible. My coding size is very small. If you want to zoom it your side and check it syntax of try and except block. Okay, yes, yes, all of you take it screenshot of it. Then we will move for example of try and except block.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if suppose we will write it here, print x. Yes, then run this program. What is error occurred? Name error. Yes, what is error occur here? Yes, tell me. Name error. Yes, but then we will write it here, try, print, then except, print, Hi, exception occur in program. Okay, Rahul is here. Rohit,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, save this file and run this module. Hi, exception occur in Python means whatever you write it a statement, which statement you got the error, print x. Yes, then we will write it try block print x, and then we will handle this statement error in except block. Okay, means I will tell in Marathi. It's okay for you? Yes, I'm telling in Marathi. It is okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके मीन्स आता आपण ट्राय एक्सेप्ट ब्लॉक स्टेटमेंट घेत आहोत काय कॅचिंग एक्सप्रेशन मीन्स कॅचिंग एक्सप्रेशन मीन्स काय आपण कोणते स्टेटमेंट हँडल करणार आहे ट्राय एक्सेप्ट ब्लॉक म्हणजे मीन्स कॅचिंग एक्सप्रेशन विथ व्हॉट इज दी कॅचिंग एक्सप्रेशन मीन्स टेल एक्सेप्शन मीन्स टेल देम try except statement we will catch any exception. Okay, we will catch any exception with the help of try and except block. Okay, try statement ते हँडल करतं कोणत्या लाईनला एरर येत आहे. ओके, मीन्स कोणत्या लाईनला तुमची एरर ऑकर होत आहे ती स्टेटमेंट तुम्ही ट्राय ब्लॉक मध्ये लिहिणार. ओके, अँड एक्सेप्ट ब्लॉक मध्ये आपण कोणती एरर कोणती लाईनची एरर हँडल करत आहे कोणत्या लाईनची एरर हँडल करत आहे ते आपण एक्सेप्ट ब्लॉक मध्ये लिहिणार. ओके, येस अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
वैभवी, साक्षी,
Yes, ma'am.
अनिशा,
Yes, ma'am.
then we will go for our next point. It's okay, we will go for our next example. Okay, we will write it here because of a is equal to int input enter the number then b is equal to int input enter the number b. Okay, then a is here, then save this file, and then c is equal to a divided by b. Okay, then print result. Okay, print result c. Okay, and save this file and run it. Yes, what is the error here? Yes, tell me. Yes, student. Zero division error. Why it is zero division error is occur here? Yes. Yes, because we will having the error c is equal to a divided by b. Okay, then go for here, write it try. Okay, and indentation is important, white spacing. Okay, give them white spacing here and then write it here except block here Okay, then run it program. Yes, save this file and run it. Yes, zero division error means whatever you write it, which line error statement is occur, this line write it in try statement and handle this error. You except law print zero division error. Okay. Yes, all of you understood? Yes. Then we will handle here as statement also. As statement also you can write it program. Okay. Except exception as E. Okay. You can write it here. First we will go for else block. Then we will go for another statement. Okay. First of all, we will go for our diagram. Then we will go for okay. Catching expression using try statement and except clause, you handle any exception in Python. Okay. And then there having the next point, try and except. You take the diagram. It is very easy to explain it and very easy to understood what is try and except. Okay. Try statement, which line occur the error. Okay. You can write it in try block, except block, which error exception occurred in the statement. Okay. This write it in except block using print statement. Okay. Next one, try, except and else. Okay. You can write it try, run this code, then except block exception occurred, which type of exception occurred in the program. You handle this exception in except block, run this code. If it is no exception occurred, then we will go for a exception else block, else write it print hi, I am inside the loop, inside the program. Okay, whatever you write it here, save this program and run it once again. Okay, if it is write it here 4. Okay, all of you see my screen or mobile is occur in this. Yes, सगळ्यांना दिसतंय का स्क्रीन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Hi inside the program means तुमचा प्रोग्राम रन होणार. एक्सेप्शन नसेल तर तुमचा एल्स ब्लॉक एक्झिक्यूट होणार. ओके, वेदांगी, साक्षी, समजलं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can write it here directly. See, no problem, and save this file and run it once again. 5 means whatever your output is here 2. If it is run once again and write it 1 divided by 0, then 0 division error occurred in your program. Okay. Yes, all of you understood this much part? Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Then we will go for our next point. multiple exception. You can handle multiple exception using try and except block. Except block, take it only which type of error, which type of exception you can handle. Only this much means whatever division by zero, zero division error, IO error, you can write it in comma. Take it comma and except block मध्ये तुम्ही फक्त पॅरेंथेसिस देऊन कोणती एरर हँडल करणार आहे ती फक्त लिहायचं म्हणजे मल्टिपल एक्सेप्शन. यू राईट इट मल्टिपल एक्सेप्शन इन दी वन स्टेटमेंट. ओके ओके समजलं सगळ्यांना? Multiple exception means what? You can write it except block using the parenthesis. You can write how many error, how many exception you occurred in your program. Means IO error, arithmetic, zero division error. Yes, like this. Okay. Try and final block. We will take first of all multiple exception because of it is also important. Yes, we will go for practical multiple exception. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Then you write it here. Zero division error and check the indentation. Okay, indentation is important. Okay, save this file and run this module. 1 0 then zero division error occur. If it is write it here simple IO error, save this file and run it module 12 6 then 2 else statement execute. Okay, all of you understood? The except multiple exception, you write it simple way except block using the parenthesis which exception you occurred in Python, which type of exception occurred in Python, which type of exception occurred in program. Okay, sorry, program. Yes, understood? Yes, everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will go for our try and finally. Try and finally, okay. Listen carefully. They're having so many blocks in exception. Okay. Only understood this much part. Right now we will complete try except else block. Okay. And then we will go for multiple exception. And then we will move for try and finally block. All of you, we will move for next point. Yes. Yes, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone having any problem? Yes. We will move for our next point. Try and finally block. Listen carefully. Only one statement is finally block. Anyhow in program finally block executed. If it is not error occurred in program, if it is error or occur exception, only execute finally block execute compulsory in your program. Okay, means whatever you write it finally block statement inside the finally block statement execute every time. Okay, understood this much part in finally block? Yes. Yes, everybody. Means whatever your error occurred or whatever, if it is not error occurred in your program, anyhow finally block execute, it is compulsory in your program. Okay, म्हणजे तुमचा फायनली स्टेटमेंट एक्झिक्यूट होणारच. समजलं? इट इज कंपल्सरी. येस, all of you understood this much part in final block, try and finally block? Yes, Vedangi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then we will go for, we will write it here or we will move for our next new program. Yes, okay. First of all, we will move for syntax, try, write it here as block of code, write it here except hash block of code. Next one, write it finally hash block of code. Okay, yes, understood this much part, try and accept and finally. Yes, simple way, write it syntax of try, accept and finally. Take it screenshot of it syntax of, yes, take it screenshot of it. Yes, student, please take it screenshot of it. We will move for next point, next program, try and finally block. Yes, Vedangi, Sakshi,
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
done? Okay. Then we will move for our program. Okay, Rohit, Rahul. First of all, okay, then we will move for our next point, try, try, accept and finally. Okay, we will take the simple first example, print x. Okay, because it is very simple. If it is used for our this program, no any issue. If it is write it directly here finally, and whatever you write it statement, print it in your choice. We will take example for a simple way. Write it try, print x. Okay, then accept print wrong statement. Okay, wrong statement. Then finally keyword and take print hi. Hi. Okay, save this file, save it. I am saving Anisha py.py. Okay, save this file and run this module. Yes, every time final statement execute. Okay, hi is printed here. Okay, all of you see or माझा मोबाईल मध्ये येतात सांगा तरी सुद्धा. Okay, my screen is visible to you. Output is also visible. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will move for our this program. We will write it here. Write it here. Final statement. Finally statement. Finally print program are successfully run. Okay, save this file Run this module. 1 divided by 0. Then almost all time your final statement run in every time. Okay. Yes. This much working in finally block. Okay. It is small working. If it is take example explanation, it is also okay. No any issue for theories must be explained. Take it help of example. Explain every block, every statement in languages. Okay. Yes. Understood? Yes. Then we will go for our almost all diagram. We will explain it in our program. Try run this code except which statement occur error. Line this except block. We will handle this statement error. Then else block. If it is not error exception occur, then else block execute. Okay. Then finally block always be run in your program. Okay. Yes. Then yes, all of you understood this much part. Try except else finally. Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Then we will move for our race exception. Okay. Race exception. What is mean by race exception? Almost all. Wait for a minute. Having race exception. Okay. We will go for our next race exception. Okay. In like almost no throw exception. Yes. Throw exception. Almost all of you know about throw exception in C++. Like this race exception is occurred in your Python. Okay. Race exception means your code is forcefully execute in every time. Okay. Means whatever you write it code in race exception, every time it will be execute. Okay. Every time it will be execute in every statement. Okay. Yes. Yes, all of you understood race exception. We will go for theory. Wait for a minute. Yes, race exception means almost all time in your program execute in every time means you can forcefully execute your statement in using raise exception. Okay. Yes, means taking runtime error occur, but it forcefully execute the keyword raise. Okay. Yes, all of you understood? Yes. And then we will move for our program. Raise. Arithmetic. Arithmetic exception. Then run. Sorry. Your program occurred error. Okay. Save this file and run it. Yes, it is right or wrong. Vedanji, Kiran. Kiran. Yes. You also tell me what is error occur here because of I am writing here correct way.
Colon is remaining in the if
Kiran,
block.
Kiran, मराठी सांगा तुम्ही.
मॅम तिथं if ब्लॉकच्या पुढे कोलन नाही दिलं.
Yes, parentheses are not here because of arithmetic means whatever. Wait. I will check it here. Okay. And then we will take it here first. X is equal to minus 1. Then I will change it here name. X is less than is equal to minus 1. Okay. Then save this file and run the module. Which type of error? Colon.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Kiran. Save this file and run it. No. Okay. Wait for a minute. I will check it. Save this file. Run the module. Wait. File. Then we will check. Then run the module. There's exception. Write it here. X register and run the module. Okay. Yes. Here rise the exception. X is equal to exception is 5. Vedangi, is it right or wrong? Check it, please. We will correct it once again in race exception. Yes. We will correct it. Vedangi.
Yes, ma'am.
We will correct it. If it is do it your own side, we will share your screen. Okay. Race exception. Because of it is forcefully execute this line. Okay. Yes. Kiran, if it is do it your own way and share me screen for it, Rahul. Because of race
Yes,
exception.
ma'am.
Yes, Sakshi. Sakshi, in your also your own side, they're having the syntax of for your help and do it and share me screen for race exception. Only one exception, race exception is remaining here. Then exception whole topic we will cover it in today's session and with the help of theory part. Yes, and at most as variable also remain it. We will cover it exception and custom exception we will cover in our completing oops concept. We will cover custom exception means user defined exception. Okay, we will cover it after the oops concept. We will cover because class object, okay, they are having the so many custom exception समजायला जरा difficult आहे because of take the user defined exception. त्यासाठी आपल्याला उप्स कॉन्सेप्ट क्लिअर व्हायला पाहिजे and next we will having the program, we will handle the program of all ops concept. Okay. Yes. Vedangi over race exception because only one exception is remain and custom exception we will cover it in oops concept. We will clear. Okay, then we will go for custom exception. Okay, means user defined exception. You are having the help of syntax here, race exception class value. Rohit Rahul, you must be done and B division, race exception. Only one block it will be remain our race exception. Please do it for your own side and tell me the what is our execution of program. Okay. Yes. And why A and B division so silent? Says it's roll number 70. Only morning session is having here. Okay, morning. We will start morning session and strength is so much less. Why?
Hello, ma'am.
Omkar. Omkar is here. Yes. Right now, who is talking me? Me? Yes. Omkar. Yes. Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Vedangi. Okay. I make you co-host now. Be ready for your sharing your screen. Okay, Vedangi, share your screen. You are now co-host. Yes, same like this. X is equal to -1 and x less than 0. Write it here, trace exception. Sorry, number below 0 allowed. Okay, then okay. Exception occurred like this. Okay. Okay. Anybody interested to share your screen? Yes, because race exception is forcefully execute your program. Forcefully, this line execute in your program. Okay. Yes, Rohit, Rahul, Sakshi. Sakshi is here. Yes. Sakshi, why so much silent? Only yes. Yes. Wait for Kiran. Kiran, wait for minute. We will right now. Go to Kiran. Okay. Make you focus now. Yes. Kiran, share your screen. Rohit, Rahul Gopal, be ready. Yes. Please do it the parenthesis in your program because in Python 3 your Python 3 must be used parenthesis. Okay. If it is not do it compulsory because it is very important. Okay. Yes. Exception, I write it small. Okay. Yes. Very good. Kiran. Okay. Close it, your desktop. Yes. All of you handled the exception very well. Yes. Anybody interested to share your screen? Yes. Yes, Rahul. Rohit. Yes. Anybody want to share your screen? Yes. Yes, student. Okay. All of you understood race exception. Race exception for your homework. You do it race exception. Also try and accept and else else block and next one multiple exception. You can handle it. Then we will move for our as keyword. Okay, as keyword you also handle. You write it like this. Yeah, I'm telling in here. My screen is visible. No. Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. We will share my screen. Okay. Yes. Write it here. Simple way. Okay. Except, exception, exception, exception as E. Okay. Like this. You can write it here like this and write it here print E. Okay. Means except exception as a E means which type of exception you can handle it. You can write it here. Okay, E block, E statement. I'm writing E here, print E. Okay, save this change and run it. Run it program. Okay, all of you see this output. Yes, all of you see this output. Means as keyword, with the help of as keyword you can handle which type of error. Means as is a variable, it is also keyword. E is a variable, means write it here IO exception, IO error, zero division error. You can write it exception, zero division error, file not found error. Okay, you can write it with the help of file handling. File handling, already yesterday we will see the file handling program. Yes, you can try this, try an exception handling with the help of file handling. Okay, file handling मध्ये पण ट्राय करा, एक्झिक्यूट करायचं. ओके वेदांगी. येस, फाईल हँडलिंग मध्ये तुम्हाला काय येणार, फाईल नॉट फाउंड, फाईल इट इज नॉट shown. Okay, like this. Then like this error you can handle it using the with the help of file exception is exception program. You do it. Okay, means file not found, IO error, means import error, whatever. Okay, yes, all of you understood. Then we will move for our custom exception right now. Wait for a minute. Custom exception we will simple. We will move for theory part first. Document, file handling. Yes, built-in exception. Okay, and see here, user-defined exception. What is mean by user-defined exception? Okay, they are having user-defined exception means you are having the custom exception. Okay, means you can write it built-in exception that force you program your output and error should occur. If it is wrong, you can print it in your user-defined exception. हे आपल्याला युजर डिफाईन एक्सेप्शन आपल्याला उप्स कॉन्सेप्ट झाल्यावर बघायचं आहे. बिकॉज युजर डिफाईन एक्सेप्शन इन युअर चॉईस, म्हणजे ते तुमच्यावर आहे कोणती एरर ऑकर होणार आहे प्रोग्राम मध्ये. तुम्ही ते डिफाईन करायचं आहे एक्सेप्शन विथ द हेल्प ऑफ एक्सेप्शन क्लास अँड एक्सेप्शन मेथड. ओके, येस, अंडरस्टूड एव्हरीबडी. हे बिल्ड इन एक्सेप्शन आहे, समजलं. कस्टम एक्सेप्शन म्हणजे दुसरं नाव आहे त्यांना, और user defined exception or custom exception. समजलं? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड. हे आपल्याला नंतर बघायचं आहे, मी आता नाही तुम्हाला सांगणार. बिकॉज ऑफ त्याचा प्रॅक्टिकल तुम्हाला उप्स कॉन्सेप्ट चे प्रॅक्टिकल झाल्याशिवाय समजणार नाही, म्हणून हे पॉइंट मी स्किप केला आहे, स्किप पण नाही, हा पॉइंट मी नंतर शिकवणार आहे. ओके, येस, अंडरस्टूड एव्हरीबडी? येस, हॅलो. We will go for file handling. Yes, give me reply. How many students do it file handling program? Yesterday we will do it the file handling program. Yes. Then how many student practice it file handling program? Yes. मी सकाळ सकाळी विचारलेलं पण आता in morning in half an hour we will done it. We will revise the all concept file handling then exception. Okay. Yes. Anybody tell me? Vedangi. Vedangi has done it. Sakshi. Sakshi. Rahul. Rahul. Rohit. Yes, all of you do it the program of file handling. Yes. Okay. File handling means you can file. What is in the file? Means we can store any data. We can store any type of data into one file because we can save our file, save our data. That's why with the help of file, we can save your data. We can store your data in file. Okay. आणि त्यासाठी 3 ऑपरेशन आहे फाइल ऑपरेशन. We can take the file operation first. We can open it file, then we can read it file, write it file, close the file. Yes, 3 operation performed in file handling: open file, read write file, and close the file. Yes. Then they're having different modes of opening the file. First, read mode, append mode, write mode, and then create the file. Okay. Means create the file आपले अगोदर राईट आपण राईट करणार आहे त्यावेळेला आपोआप ते क्रिएट पण होणार फाईल. ओके. येस, अंडरस्टूड. बट यू कॅन राईट इट मोड ऑपरेशन एक्स. येस, एक्स मोड यूज करून फाईल क्रिएट करायची, ओपन करायची, राईट करायची. ओके. येस. Then they're having file, they're having test mode, test, and binary mode. Binary mode means image. Then we will go for opening the file. First, read it enough, paste in file demo.test. First, we create the test file, simple file, and then we can write it mode operation read mode. Okay. Read mode. All of you see the code. We will write it here test file and write it read mode. Okay. Read mode आपण परफॉर्म करणार आहे आणि नंतर प्रिंट करणार आहे. प्रिंट, why you print here? Anyone question is occur in your mind? Why it is print f.read mode? Because of we can simply read it your file. Okay. Then we will go for closing a file f.close. It is simple way to close your file f.close method. Then write and create a file. We can existing file means add a parameter, add your extra string in your file, append and write. Okay. You can write it first. Content of file. Content means whatever you want to string you add it file, you can write it. Yes. And then append the file. Another string you can append the same file. Okay. First write it. Yes. आपण इथे प्रिंट का केलं नाहीये, राईट करणार आहे डायरेक्टली. यू कॅन राईट इट the string. Okay, means you can take it separate sample test file. Okay, separate test file घ्यायची आहे. आपली पहिली फाईल घ्यायची नाही. ओके, ती रीड साठी वेगळी फाईल यूज करा, राईट साठी वेगळी फाईल यूज करा. ओके, समजलं? मीन्स फाईल मीन्स टेस्ट. सपोज you can write it test. Okay, take it separate file, read and write. Okay, and then you can same file you can append another string. Okay, and then error in Python. Okay, error and exception, they're having two error and exception. What is the main differences there? Error is occurred as a compile time, syntax error, parenthesis missing, and any type of error. Okay, if it is colon is missing, it is occurred at error. Okay, but in Python, exception occur in many times. Okay, we can run it directly program. You can run it program. You can handle the exception in every program. Okay, exception in the program you cannot avoid making error. म्हणजे error हे program मध्ये output error हे occur होतच असतात. Okay, means whatever you write it structure in program, you write it syntax error is occurred in many times. Okay, means syntax error. Okay, means error occurred at the runtime. This is called as exception. Okay, next one, exception handling. They're having built-in exception, zero division error, overflow error, file not found error. You can help file not found error with the help of file handling. You can do it the program of file not found error. Yes, everybody clear my point of view? What is file not found error? With the help of file handling program, you do it the program file not found error. Yes, everybody do it the file not found error exception with the help of file handling program. Yes, yes, everybody do it the program. Yes, next one, catching expression. With the help of try statement and except block, we will catch any exception. Try block, we can handle the statement, which statement error occurred, and except block, we can handle the try block statement exception. Means त्या कोड मध्ये एरर येणार आहे, ते एक्सेप्शन हँडल करतो एक्सेप्ट ब्लॉक. ओके, try run this code, except block occur at the when this code occurred error. This code exception we can occur. This exception means this line of code error occurred. This line of code handle the exception using the except block. Okay, next one, try except else. If it is program not occur exception, then else block execute. Okay, then multiple exception, all of you know about multiple exception. With the help of parenthesis, you can handle the multiple exception. Okay, except write it except block and write it parenthesis, means IO error exception, zero division error exception. Yes, already know it. Okay, and try and finally block, finally statement every time executed. It is compulsory to execute in your program. Okay, try run this code. Okay, means which statement error occurred. This line printed in try block, except we can handle statement error in except block. Else, if it is not exception occur, then else block execute, and finally always execute this statement in finally block. Okay, and then raise exception. Raise exception is forcefully execute. Okay, then we will go for user defined exception in our next lecture. user defined exception. We will cover first of all OOPS concept. Then we will go for user defined exception. Okay. Yes. Everybody having any problem, any doubt in today's session? Exception, Vedangi. Because of exception is, yes, Vedangi is important exception concept. You should be clear. Yes, it is very easy to learn exception in Python. Yes, it is helpful for Java. Then exception is topic is covered in Java. Yes, understood every point. Yes, Vedangi say yes. Sakshi,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. B division, A division. Anyone having any problem in your today's session? Exception. We will cover practicals also. First, we will cover theory part. Then we will go for the 2 session in practical in whole base. Okay. Yes. Basic program we will done it. Yes. Pattern program also over. If else statement also over. Basic control structure looping statement program is over. Okay. Yes, all of you understood the exception. 2 topic, file handling and exception. Yes. Anyone having any doubt? In 2, we will cover 2 points, file handling and exception. Anyone having any doubt? Yes. If you are having any doubt, tell me. Having for take 10 minutes time. If you are having any doubt, tell me. Yes. Rohit, Rahul, why you are so silent in today's lecture? Okay. Okay. Yes. Any want to uh, any want to share your screen difference between homework difference? Vedangi, if you are ready to share your screen difference between is equal to and exact is equal to, means comparison is equal to, yes. Apart from file handling and exception, we will cover it 2 point, and also I'm also having the point of explanation, taking question of file handling exception. Okay. Anybody want to share your difference between is equal to and exact is equal to? Yes. All of you can say the difference between 2 operator. All of you understood? Vedangi, Sakshi,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Rahul, Rohit.
Yes, ma'am.
They're having 2 Rahul is here. Hingmire Rahul. Yes. Anybody having any doubt in our session? Today's session, we will cover 2 points. Then we will move for our package modules. In our next session, they're having modules, having the import our SY system module, and next one OS module, import module and packages. Okay. Yes. Anyone having problem in today's session? Yes. Unmute yourself. Yes. I think so. Into figure, into diagram, you are uh, easy to explain, easy to know what is mean by try, except, what is mean by try, except an else statement, what is try, except block, and try, except else block. Okay, easy to learn with the help of diagram. Okay, yes, yes, okay. Then we will move for our move our, if we are having no any doubt, then we will move for our attendance. Yes, if it is not having any doubt, then we will move for our attendance. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
uh, yes, anyone in A and B division, if you are doing the practical of file handling, if it is anyone ready to share your screen, only I want to I want to see your code. Yes, in within the 5 minutes, I will close it.
Share.
Yes, Vedangi. Okay, yes, you share your screen. In B division, be ready. Yes, okay, yes. First you write it. Okay. Yes, yes. This is right command. It is also, yes, okay. Read. Okay. And all of you take the one task, add the right method, read also, same like read lines. Okay. All of you know about read lines? Read lines. Read lines method in file handling. Okay. All of you perform the program. Vedangi, very good. In B division, anybody interested to share your screen? Yes? Hello? Yes, anybody interested to share your screen? Okay. Uh, Today's task, all of you perform file handling program. Yes? No any doubt? Okay. Then method, same like the read method. Okay. Read method, you can write it f dot read. Yes. I'm telling directly code. Okay. Vedangi, listen carefully. Read lines. Use read lines. Yes. Read lines method, use it. Okay. Yes, Vedangi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Okay, very good. In B division, anybody interested to share your screen? Yes. Yes. In B division, nobody. Nobody want to share your screen. Yes. It's okay. In today's session, I'm repeatedly ask you, if you are having any doubt, tell me. Yes. If it is no, today's session, we will over it. We will start our presenting A division. A division. and don't leave the session in half an hour remaining here. If it is having any doubt in today's session, then tell me. A division, start from 1,
1,
2, 2,
2 present, ma'am.
3,
yes,
3, 4,
yes, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
5,
6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8, 8, absent, 9, 9, okay, 9 present or absent, 9 Unnati, yes, 10,
present, ma'am.
11,
Present.
12,
Present,
13, 13, 13 absent, 14,
present,
15,
present, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Yes, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20, 19, present, 20, 20, 20, okay, 21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Yes, ma'am.
24, 24, 25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28, 28, 29, 29, 30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33, 33, 33 absent, 34,
Present, ma'am.
35,
Present, ma'am.
36,
Present, ma'am.
37,
Present, ma'am.
38, 38, 38 present, okay, 39,
Present, ma'am.
40,
Present, ma'am.
42,
Present, ma'am.
43,
Madam, 41 present.
yes, 41 present, 42,
Present, ma'am.
43,
Present, ma'am.
Meenakshi, yes, 44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
47,
Present, ma'am.
48,
Present, ma'am.
49,
Present, ma'am.
50,
Yes, ma'am.
51,
Present, ma'am.
52,
Yes, ma'am.
53,
Present, ma'am.
54, 54, 55, 55, 55, absent, 56,
Present, ma'am.
57,
Present, ma'am.
58,
Present, ma'am.
59, 60, 61,
Yes, ma'am.
62, 62, 63,
Yes, ma'am.
64,
Yes, ma'am.
5, 65, 65, 66, 66, 67,
Yes, ma'am.
68 present, 69 present,
Present, ma'am.
67, yes, yes, 70,
Present, ma'am.
72,
Present, ma'am.
73,
Present, ma'am.
yes, present, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 77 present, 78,
Present, ma'am.
79, 80,
Present, ma'am.
yes. Right now, A division absent roll number 8, 13, 20, 24, 29, 33, 38, 54, 60, 65, 66, 74, 75, 76, 77, and 79.
Ma'am, 833. Roll number is present.
8, 13. Okay. Then
33, ma'am.
33,
30.
38. And yes, next one.
54,
Right,
ma'am.
ma'am. 13.
1, 3. Okay.
54, ma'am.
54. Okay. Next one. Yes, right now absent roll number A division 20, 24,
74, ma'am.
A 74. Okay. Right now absent roll number 20, 24, 29, 60, 65, 66, 75, 76, 77, 79. Absent roll number. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Division B. TYB. Yes. TYB. Start from 1. 1,
1, 2.
2,
Present,
3,
ma'am.
Yes,
4,
ma'am.
5.
Yes, ma'am.
5 is present, ma'am.
Yes, yes. 5, 6,
5 present.
ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7, 7, 8. Don't leave session A and B division. Most important point is discussed. Please be present. Okay. 8.
Ma'am, roll number 7 is present.
Yes, yes, Tanvi. 8,
Yes, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10, 10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14, 14, 15, 15, present. 16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Yes, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19, 19, 19, absent. 20,
Present, ma'am.
21, 21, absent. 22,
Present, ma'am.
23, 23,
Present, ma'am.
24, 24, 25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28, 28, 28, 28 is here, absent. 29,
Present, ma'am.
30,
Present,
31, 31, 32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35,
Present, ma'am.
36,
Present, ma'am.
37,
Present.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39, 39, 39, 40, 41,
Present, ma'am.
42, 42, 42, 42, present. 42 present. No. 43, 43, 44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Yes, ma'am.
45, 46,
Present, ma'am.
47,
Present, ma'am.
48, 49, 49 present. 50,
Present, ma'am.
51, 51, 52, 52, 53,
Present, ma'am. 53.
54, 54,
Ma'am, B49 present.
B49, B49 already present. 51, 52, 53. Wait for a minute. I will call absent roll number. Wait. 53, 53 present. 54, 54, 54 absent. 55, 56, 56, '57. Rahul,
Present, ma'am. 57.
Rohit, yes. 58,
Yes, ma'am. 58.
59, 60,
Yes, ma'am.
61,
Present.
62, 62, 63, 63, 64,
64 present, ma'am.
65, 65, 66, 66, 67,
Present, ma'am.
68,
Present.
69, 69, 69 absent, 70, 70, 71,
Ma'am. Present, ma'am. 71 present.
72, 72, 73,
Yes, ma'am. 73.
74,
Present, ma'am.
75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 78,
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, 77 is present.
yes, 79, 79 present, 80,
Present, ma'am.
okay, absent roll number from B division, Sakshi, CR, listen carefully, and all of you, B division, listen, 14, 19, 21, 24,
I'm 19 present.
okay, 21, 24, 28, 39, and tell me one by one if it is present or not. Okay, wait for a minute. 14, 21, 24, 28, 39, 42, 43, 48, 51, 52, 54, 55, 59, 62, 63, 65, 66, 69, 70, 72, 75, 76, 77. Yes,
72 and
72.
2.
2. Okay. Yes. Right now, anyone absent from B division? Tomorrow only I got the mail of Tanvi and Sakre from B division for absenteeism. Okay, B division. Right now, those students are absent. Message me what is the reason of absenteeism. Okay, yes, B division. Okay, yes, all of you understood B division. Then I will mark you presentee, otherwise absenteeism is carried out from your roll number. Okay, yes, all of you understood from B division.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. We will solve your problem for DA subject. Don't worry, we will handle it for our side. HOD also decided what will be do it in DA subject. Don't worry for your DA subject. Okay, any subject you are having problem, if you are having the Python, no any issue, tell me if it is correct from my side, I'm also try to improve. Okay. Yes, Vedangi, A division and B division. Especially in Python, you are having any problem? Already we will done it practical also we will improve it for our next. We will take it 2 or 3 session in practical. First we will continue our theory part first, then we will move for practical, because we lack practical also perform it. Okay. Yes, A division and B division. Yes. Yes. Anyone having any problem for Python, especially my subject? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay. We will solve your DA subject problem. No, don't worry for our side, from your side also. We will discuss for your DA subject problem. Our HOD also, and we will discuss with our faculty also. Okay. And do it DA subject very well practice, because of practice is must for DA. Okay. Yes. Understood? And keep practicing the DA subject. Whatever sir has taught to you, practice it very well. Yes. And Python, don't worry, we will take the extra lecture for practical. Because of VLab, we will cover the VLab also practical. Yes. Anyone, any subject you are having doubt? A and B division. Then we will 10 minutes time. Next session, we will move for modules, packages, and command line arguments. Okay. All of you know about command line argument. Yes. CMD. Yes. Then we will move for our next session in this practical of command line. Okay. Command line arguments, and I will not taught that much theory in arguments. We will directly move for practical, and we will done it practical, module, package, and command line. Okay. Because of 3 most point is remain in our second chapter. Yes. Okay. You are having good day, good session. Okay. Okay. Yes. Thank you very much.
मॅम
Yes.
मॅम कालच्या रेकॉर्डिंग सेशन रेकॉर्डिंग लिंक ही पाठवतं का लिंक कालच्या लेक्चरची?
Snehal, I am sharing the yesterday link in our teaching diary, because we will recording cloud. That's why it's remaining the recording. Already I will send you in our teaching diary. Okay. Don't worry. I will share you. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes. I will share you 2 days up to 5 p.m. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.